Oh, hello, friends. It's me, Mr. Prod, coming to you again from Jonathan's bedroom here in sunny Santa Monica, California. Speaking of sunny, we've been talking about the weather a lot in class, and for the past several days, you have been looking outside your door, observing what the weather's like outside, and then recording those observations in your meteorologist notebook. I know Miss Dano and I really love the pictures you guys have been sending us. That's great. I love the details that you're observing. I want to show you a couple of pictures. And when we look at these pictures, I want you to think about what's the weather like in these pictures. Let's see if I can go ahead and find them. That's going to require me to share my screen. Clickety-click, clickety-clack. Weather. Here we go. And here is the first picture I want us to look at. It looks like it's a family, and they're all together here at the beach. What do you think the weather is like in this picture? Do you think it's hot or cold in this picture? So I think it's hot, or at least it's warm. And the reason I think that is, well, if you look at the people in the picture, they're dressed like it's warm outside, right? They're in just their bathing suits, or little t-shirts maybe in case of a little girl, but they don't seem like they're dressed for cold weather. They're not wearing jackets. They're not wearing hats or mittens, right? The way they're dressed tells me that it's pretty warm outside. Also, if I look at the sky, I don't see any clouds. I don't see any rain. I can't really see the sun in this picture, but I bet you it's a sunny day because it's very bright outside. There's no clouds. So just looking at this picture, looking for the clues in the picture, I'm going to say that this is a picture of a warm day or a hot day, right? People are dressed like it's hot. They're at the beach. They're barefoot. It looks like it's a nice, warm, sunny day in this picture. All right, I'm going to show you a different picture, and let's see if we can tell what the weather is like in this picture. Does this look like it's a warm, hot, sunny day? No, I don't think so. The reason I don't think so is, first of all, there's a ton of snow, right? There's snow all over this roof. You can tell if there's snow actually falling from the sky. I can't even see the sky. There's all these clouds, which is where that snow is falling from. Also, look at what this lady's wearing. She's wearing a special jacket called a parka, which is a very heavy jacket you would wear if you were in super cold weather. It's got this lovely little fur lining around the hood. She's also got what looks like a scarf around her neck, which helps to keep your neck nice and warm when you're in cold weather. She's also wearing, you can just barely see the gloves that she's wearing. So all these clues are telling me that it's a cold, cold day in this picture. So here we have a sunny day, and here we have a cold day. There are a bunch of different words that we use to describe what the weather is like, and included in this lesson is our weather word wall. And let's go over some of the words that we use to describe the weather and weather-related stuff. Here is the word weather, weather. This is the word meteorologist, which we said is a scientist who studies the weather. Weather, we said, has a bunch of different components. There's a bunch of different parts that make up weather, like temperature, that measures how hot and how cold it is. Moisture, which is sort of the water or the water vapor that's in the air. Air pressure, which is kind of hard to explain. Wind, we all know what wind is. And there's air pressure again. Do I have air pressure twice? It looks like I do have air pressure twice. So you know what? This air pressure, you're going away off the land. So some other words that we use to describe the weather. This one says rain. Rain is a kind of weather. Rain starts with an R. Rain. Snow. Snow. We got wind twice. There's another wind there. Go away, wind. Right. Sun or sunny. We can also talk about whether it's hot, warm, or cold. Hot means it's really super warm, right? Look at the temperature, whoop, all the way up at the top. The girl's just in her bathing suit. Warm means it's like kind of in the middle. It's not super hot. It's not super cold. It's just kind of comfortable. See, the temperature is right there in the middle, and she's wearing just some regular old clothes. And then cold down here, cold. Well, that means, woo, it's really super chilly. All right, so these are all words that we can use to describe what the weather's like here. So looking at this picture again, the weather, I'm going to say that it's hot outside. And looking at this picture, I'm going to say in this picture, it's cold. So we have a picture of a hot day, and we have a picture of a cold day. So here is what your assignment is going to be for today. You are going to get yourself a piece of paper, and you're going to draw a line down that paper. And on one side, I want you to draw a picture of a hot day. And on the other side, I want you to draw a picture of a cold day. Maybe you could show snow falling in the cold day. Maybe you could show people dressed in like really heavy clothes. On the warm day, maybe you could draw a picture of the beach, and some people at the beach. You don't have to draw the beach. You could draw a warm day in the city, and you could draw a cold day in the city. But that's what you're going to do. You're going to draw and label two pictures, a picture of a hot day and a picture of a cold day. And I would like you to use the words that we saw on the word wall. I'd like you to use the word hot, the word cold, maybe the word sun, maybe the word snow. But let's get in the practice of labeling those drawings using weather word pictures from our weather word wall. Okay, so that is your assignment today. And of course, when you're done with those, you're going to take a picture with your camera or your parent's camera, and you're going to send it to your teacher. That could be me, that could be Miss Dano. All right, that's what you're going to do today. Get to it. Draw me those weather pictures. And so on behalf of me and Miss Dano, Proft out.